joins us now to talk about that. Mr. Chawla, good morning. Can you just tell us about this transfer of this business and what exactly will Cipla Health bring to the table as far as revenues, growth, etc. is concerned?
Hi, good morning. Cipla New Ventures was set up as an impact investment arm of Cipla to incubate businesses that will have a medium to long-term impact in the pharmaceutical and life sciences space. Consumer health was identified as one incubator that would, one opportunity that would have a far-ranging impact. And we have carved out a business from the parent company and have spun that out into a new subsidiary, which will be focused to create a consumer business in a true FMCG style, with a pharma in mindset and an FMCG out mindset.
Okay. So are you planning at some point in time to spin this off as a separate business, list it, etc.?
We will be evaluating all kinds of options as we go forward in terms of the way its investment profile should evolve. At the moment, you may be aware that its flagship brand, Nicotex, has already gone national, and it's been a key sponsor in the current football tournament. It is on prime time at the moment. And our ambition is to touch the lives of over 100 million smokers in India, encouraging them to quit smoking.
What are the sales numbers there? Revenue numbers?
We don't normally comment on financials at this stage, but this is going to be a significant revenue and value creator for Cipla as we go forward.
So is that part of consumer health, and was that part of the slump sale to Cipla Health?
That is right. That is right.
Okay. So how many products does Cipla Health now have? How many did consumer health have?
Cipla Health, which will now be the consumer face of Cipla, will start with 3 brands, and we have an entire portfolio of products getting ready for launch over the next 12 to 24 months.
What are these 3 brands? Anything as interesting as Nicotex?
We have another product called Nicogum in the same anti-smoking space, and there is a brand that is targeted at sore throat called Coughsils.
Okay, that's interesting. Are you going to buy any brands to ramp up your OTC portfolio?
We have a very ambitious plan, and we will be constantly looking at opportunities both from within as well as inorganic opportunities outside in the consumer health space.
Okay, so can you give us any kind of idea on what are the investments you will be making into this particular space and into the business itself over the next, say, 1 to 2 years? And what kind of growth would you expect?
I won't be able to give you specific financials at this stage, but we are looking at a space where there is currently a $4 to $5 billion opportunity, and it's growing at mid to high teens. So this is a space that is very hot at the moment, and naturally it is attracting a lot of attention.
All right, Chandru, we'll leave it at that. Thanks for joining us. A lot of these products are things that we have to use as well in our office, a lot of people, but thanks so much for joining us. So that's
very interesting. I mean, if this can be a huge FMCG kind of product almost, it may be a very big business for Cipla.
All right, well, back to the markets then. The mid-cap space is